हाँ, मुझे काइंडली जो हमने
सॉरी।
लास्ट टाइम तक पढ़ा था इकोनॉमिक्स का, फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, मुझे बताओ क्या क्या है हमारे, व्हाट आर द फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शंस।
लैंड लेबर, सॉरी, लैंड लेबर कैपिटल एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप।
ओके, व्हाट फैक्टर्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द लैंड फैक्टर?
In land, we get land refers to resources we get from land, all natural resources we get from the earth.
ओके, so let's start move towards the production possibility curves. Actually, accounting started from there. Oh, sorry, economics. We are talking about the economics. So starting from there, so we have a different types of things there, just like the graphs. Basically, economics are to randomly move. Dealing with the graphs के हमारे पास जितनी भी values होती हैं we have to represent on the graphically. एग्जाम में भी इसी
Okay.
तरह रहेगा। सो थ्योरी जितनी भी है, हमारे पास तीन तरह के यहाँ पे चीज़ें शो होती हैं अबाउट इकोनॉमिक्स के अंदर। वी हैव अ 20,000 टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ्स,
जी।
ठीक है।
Okay.
बट इनिशियली हम चीज़ें आसान आसान ही पढ़ेंगे, ज़्यादा मुश्किल चीज़ें नहीं पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन जो ये कह सकते हैं कि हमें तीन तरह से हम चीज़ों को शो करवा सकते हैं। नंबर वन, यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा, ये देखो, ये आपके पास सामने लिखा हुआ है, दिस इज थ्योरेटिकल साइड, ठीक है।
Hmm.
थ्योरेटिकली आपके सामने शो हो रहा है। फॉर एग्जांपल मैं यहीं पे आपको इसको टेबुलर फॉर्म में कर देता हूँ, यहाँ पे मैं कुछ टेबल्स बना देता हूँ। देन डाटा जब जैसे टेबल्स में आ जाता है, जो हम अकाउंटिंग में करते हैं, सो डाटा जब टेबल्स में आ जाता है तो ये एक टेबुलर फॉर्म बन जाती है, ठीक है। और अगर इसी डेटा को मैं रिप्रेजेंट कर दूं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ग्राफ, कि मैं एक यहाँ से एक्स एक्सिस ड्रॉ कर देता हूँ, एक यहाँ वाई एक्सिस ड्रॉ
जी।
कर देता हूँ, और साथ ही एक कर्व लाइन ड्रॉ करूंगा मैं यहाँ पे कुछ इस तरह से। सॉरी, मेरे इधर आना चाहिए। मैं यहाँ एक कर्व लाइन ड्रॉ करता हूँ। सो यहाँ पे कर्व लाइन नहीं है अभी, बट ठीक है, यहाँ से मैं लेता हूँ और मैं कुछ इस तरह का एक ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर लेता हूँ, ठीक है। तो अब यहाँ पे कुछ चीजें हैं जो मुझे, कुछ डाटा होगा जो मुझे यहाँ डाटा प्रेजेंट कर रहा है, ठीक
हाँ
है।
जी।
तो दीज आर द थिंग्स के जो मुझे इकोनॉमिक्स के अंदर डील करने हैं। तो वी हैव अ
ओके।
टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ्स ओवर देयर, ठीक है। वो हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता पढ़ेंगे, पहले हम थ्योरी पढ़ेंगे, फिर हम उसके टेबुलर फॉर्म और उसके ग्राफ्स पढ़ेंगे। मैं बताता हूँ नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि टीचर्स जब बच्चे को पढ़ाते हैं तो दे जस्ट डील विद द ग्राफ्स एंड द लाइक द ग्राफिकल शेप्स। बट हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग टेबुलर फॉर्म से ग्राफ्स बनाएंगे, ठीक है। इट शुड बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर अस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। व्हाट इज द पीपीसी? द प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व।
ओके।
The production possibility curve is actually the diagram, ठीक है, जो मैं आपको बाद में शो करवाऊंगा। जैसे मैंने अभी इससे पहले ग्राफ बनाया था, ये इसी तरह से ही ड्रॉ किया जाता है,
हम्म।
ठीक है। प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व यानी कि एक साइड पे मैं इस तरह से, ताकि मैं कौन सा ऐसा पॉइंट बनेगा जहां पर मैं अपनी प्रोडक्शन मैक्सिमम कर सकता हूँ। प्रोडक्शन क्या कर सकता हूँ? मैक्सिमम कर सकता हूँ। तो हाँ,
मैक्सिमम। जी।
ये देखो, अब इससे फायदा क्या होता है कि हम अपने रिसोर्सेज का मैक्सिमम यूज कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने यहाँ से अपने कुछ डाटा को यहाँ से बाइसेक्ट करना शुरू किया, कुछ यहाँ से बाइसेक्ट करना शुरू किया। सो देयर शुड बी अ पॉइंट जहाँ पे आके मेरे पास मेरा एसेट मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइजेशन देना शुरू हो जाएगा, मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्टिविटी पे चला जाएगा। सो एज माय एसेट लैंड हो सकता है, कोई भी मेरा रिसोर्स हो सकता है, जब वो मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी पे चला जाएगा तो ये इसको मैं कहूँगा कि प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व,
अच्छा।
अच्छा, shows the maximum possible combinations of the two goods. For example, if I have two goods, then
Hmm.
I have to generate the different options because we have learned the opportunity cost over there.
Well, yes.
So if we understand the opportunity cost, then all of the goods have the different opportunities. So
Hmm.
either we have a land and the capitals, then we have to maximize or we have to learn about the options of the resources which they are provided us. For example, अगर मेरे पास लैंड है, ठीक है, उस पे मुझे गंदुम उगानी है, देन
गंदुम क्या होता है?
wheat, wheat,
अच्छा।
wheat. If I have to grow the wheat on the land, then I must have to understand the other options which provides me the maximum benefit from the land. Just like a sugar cane, the
Hmm.
other vegetables like a potatoes and other things.
Hmm.
So we have to discuss these options also. So
Yes.
with these options, then I have to select on the behalf of the opportunity cost to
Yes.
maximize the possible combination of the two goods
Hmm.
because we have a limited resources.
Hmm.
So if we have a limited land, then we can grow only a one crop at the same
Yes.
time, not two. So we have to choose something. So since if the resources such as the land, labor, capitals are scarce, so economy cannot produce the unlimited amount of everything.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Somewhat.
Okay. We have unlimited resources.
Hmm.
So if we have a limited resources, so we cannot produce the unlimited amount of goods.
Yes.
So we must have to make a choice about the production on the behalf of uh, the different combinations.
Hmm.
So in the graphical representations, we have a type of graph is PPC, the possible production possibility curve,
Yes.
named at the production possibility curve. Actually, what is the basic idea behind the PPC? When I said PPC, then you have to understand the production possibility curve. Okay, what is
Yes.
PPC?
PPC, the when your assets are maximized or something.
PPC stands for production
When the
possibility curve.
production.
Possibility curve. Okay, actually, PPC is based on the fundamental economic problem of scarcity. Actually, scarcity is our problem, now. Because how
Yes.
scarcity, just understand how scarcity produce.
Yeah.
We have a limited resources and unlimited wants. The difference
Yes.
between the limited resources and the limited wants produces the scarcity between us or
Yes.
between the
Hmm.
humans. So because of these resources are limited, so producing one good mean to producing less of another good. If we want to produce the two goods at the same time, that means we are going to produce the less amount of one good and the less amount of other good. Cannot be produce the two goods on the same time, the same amount
Hmm.
at the same limited place. So this creates the trade-off. Just
Yes.
understand the word trade-off. I will explain it later. If a country decides to produce more wheats, I choose the wheat example, so it may have to reduce the production of cotton. Is it possible
Yes.
to produce the cotton and wheat at the same time, the same quantity in a limited land?
No.
No, that's not possible
mm,
because we have learned the opportunity cost.
mm, mm,
If a country decides to produce a more wheat, then cotton should be less amount. Or if cotton should be in the very amount, then wheat should be in the less amount.
mm,
So understand, my child, every choice has a cost. Every choice. In the economics, in the life, which lead us the idea of opportunity cost. For example, you want to be a doctor, but you are going to be a chartered accountant. Can you be a doctor or chartered accountant at the same time in the same life?
no.
It's not possible. If possible, if you make it possible, then you should be not good in the CA and the doctor medical.
Yeah. Mm.
So what is the opportunity cost over there as per the PPC? PPC, what is PPC?
Production possibility curve.
Production possibility curve. It demonstrates the
Yes.
opportunity cost because we have
Mm,
to maximize our utility. How we can maximize our utility? By choosing the right production, the right type of production.
yes.
Actually, it is the value of the next best alternative.
Mm,
For example, you are going to eat uh, mangoes, but you have a best alternative option as banana. Here is the best next alternative. Or you are, what the other things we can say the best alternatives? Either we have an alternative of petrol,
sorry.
we have the alternative of petrol.
Yes.
Yes, we have. We have our best alternative of petrol is electric vehicles. So
Yes.
we are moving forward from one point to another point to increase my production. But in that case, we are sacrificing the petrol vehicles.
Mm,
Do you understand?
yes. Mm,
Okay. The next one is the graphical side of this one, but you have to understand uh, till there opportunity cost and PPC. Okay. So first three paragraphs you have to understand, and the other paragraphs I will discuss it later in my next lecture and the next other lecture for next day. So I will teach you
okay.
how you can draw the graphs actually.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So during this lecture, let me show you something else about the accounting assignment also that I have shared to you.
Yes.
Okay, have you seen there?
The accounting sheet you
Yeah,
said?
yeah, yeah. This is
Yes.
the accounting assignment I have shared to you, but you have to solve this. I'm there to teach you how to solve this. Okay. So as per accounting this worksheet,
Okay.
you have a transaction, 8 transactions over there. In the first section, you have to
Mm,
just identify what is the asset, what is the asset over there, and what is the liability over there. is there asset liability expense as type 1 and type 2?
Okay.
Because I told you there are the two effects in every transaction.
Hmm.
So every transaction has two effects, then you have to note the effects of 1 and 2 over there. For example,
Yeah.
owner started a business with cash. So here is the type 1 is the owner and which is capital, and other one is cash as the asset.
Yes.
Okay? Do we have to identify all eight transactions?
One question in the section B.
Yeah, no, no. Questions are there. These are the financial transactions that you have to identify from there to there.
No, I have a doubt in the
Yeah,
section
oh,
B.
yeah, what's your doubt?
What do we have to write in the accounts evolved exactly like a
Yeah,
balance
or
sheet and all?
which account is involved over there? Which account is that?
Okay.
Account in the type one, which is there a liability, income, capital, and type two. If there is owner started business with cash 20,000, then first of
Hmm.
all there are the two aspects, honor and the cash. Honor
Yes.
is the capital
Hmm.
and
Cash is the asset.
cash is the asset. Second one, purchase furniture for cash.
Hmm.
First, furniture is the asset and cash is
Yes.
also asset.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm not going to solve all the transactions with you.
Yes.
So, okay, fill this table, then moving forward with the same pattern. Now, two accounts are involved over there. So identify the first account. If the first account increases, then debit there.
Like, can I say an example?
Yeah. Uh, if the asset increases, cash is your
Hmm.
asset. If asset increase, yeah, you don't need to write the debit or credit over there. You must have to write there as asset account number one. Asset increases. Okay, increase or decrease. And other one is there liability? Is there an asset? What should be?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So moving forward for the next, apply debit and credit rules.
Hmm.
So if account increases, if asset increases, it should be debit.
Yes.
And if asset decreases, it should be credit.
Yes.
Vice versa for all the accounts that I have teach you. So now in the section E are the full journal entry practice. Note the
Hmm.
date over there, write the details, capital, cash, goods, whatever it should be.
Yes.
So write the debit amount over there and the credit amount over there.
Okay.
Okay, do you understand how to solve that?
Yes.
Yeah, after this, answer these questions.
Okay. Easy.
Okay. If you have any doubt, you can contact me anytime.
Yes.
Okay. So we have done the both over there, the accounting and the economics. So after a short break, we should be there for the business studies.
Okay.
Okay.
No maths today or computer
Uh,
studies?
Might be possible should be math or computer studies. Teacher will take choice.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Just understand how to write the math practice. Math teachers was worried about your writing and the pattern style. I think
Yes.
he was taught you how to make the patterns and divide your papers in the different sections. I think you have understand. So improve this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So have a break.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Okay. Bye.